Hello friends, today I have this very beautiful, very easy to handle TENS unit from Health Made Forever, and its model number is PRO24AB. And in this video we will unbox this product and we will see how to use it for an knee pain case. Although it can be used for any other kind of musculoskeletal pain or joint pain, but we will try to understand how to use it for a knee pain case. So let's get started. So friends, here is the box of our TENS unit from Health Made Forever, and we will open the box, we will unbox it, and we will see what's inside and how to set the machine for a knee pain case. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to us because we always bring such kind of useful videos, and press bell icon to get notified. So let us open this box. When we open this box, first of all we get this main unit. This is the main unit. It looks very beautiful and we can easily grasp on our hand like this. It is very easy to use. Then when we further open it, we will get this manual. This is the main manual, as you can see, and inside the manual we have various kinds of paper related to it, and there is also a pad holder. This is a pad holder. When pads are not in use, we can place it over here. And then there are wires. You can see there are 3 wires over here, and 2 wire is to attach the electrodes with the main unit. The wire, if you open the wire has one end of the wire has a single jack, and the other end has 2 jacks. So a single wire has 2 single jack on another end, and perhaps this is to attach the electrodes. We will see later on. And the other wire looks like a bit a data cable like a wire. We also have a chargeable unit. So one end will be attached here, I think. Another end will be attached to the main unit so that we can charge it. And again, last we have this pads. There are 2 packets of the pads, and a single packet contains 2 pads. These are 2 pads. They are made up of rubber, and it is self-adhesive. You can see glue is already present in it. We can easily paste it on our skin. So there are 4 electrodes like this. Now let us try to learn how to properly set this machine. So here is the main unit, and its lower end has 2 jacks, A and B. This is to attach 2 wire. These are channels, channel A and channel B. So we can use only single channel, or we can use both the channels simultaneously. Let us use it a single channel. So we have to attach one wire at end of the one wire here. So this is now attached, and the upper end of the main unit has a USB connection port and a switch. So this USB connection is to recharge this main unit. This switch is to switch on the machine. So let us switch on it. So when we switch on it, you can see the main unit with all the displays. Here it is displaying the time. Here you can see blinking A. That means when we use this machine, this channel A will be used. We can switch over to channel B by just pressing the center button, this button. See, now this B channel is now active, but we are only going to use the A channel. So let us shift to A channel A, and then we can set the timing by pressing the T in the circle on the lower end of the circle. And then there are 24 modes described here. So each mode have different types of feeling, different types of depending upon your convenience, depending upon your comfortable level, you can choose the mode. So here for the knee pain I am going to choose 19 mode number 19. So to select the mode we have to press this M button, the upper button end of the circle. So by pressing the M we single times from 3 to 4 it is going to 5, then 6, then 7. So we have to go on pressing till we come to the point mode 19. So this is how you have to set the modes and the machine. So the other end of the wire will be connected to the electrodes. So we have got 4 electrodes and I will be using only 2 electrode. So you can see button here, this will be getting attached to here. So this is how the whole machine you have to set up. Now so friends, let me demonstrate how to use this machine for a knee pain case. I will be only using a single channel. You can use both A and B channel. So friends, to use this machine, first we have to switch on the machine. After switching on, the machine is already, main unit is already connected to the pads. See, it is already connected to the pads. Then remove the film and you will get pad with self adhesion, and then place it on the one end of the medial side, on the inner side of the knee if you have pain over here, and then remove the film of another electrode and then place it on the outer side of your knee like this. Finished? Then select the mode. For instance, I am selecting the mode number 19. You can select any mode as per your wish, which is convenient. You can experiment with it. There are so many modes which have different feel. So this is mode number 19 I have selected, and then I have to press the plus button on the right side of the circle. So see, now I am feeling tingling sensation. It is a typical feeling of a tense, and you have to increase till you feel comfortable. It doesn't have to be stronger or doesn't have to be so slow that won't have any effect. So you have to reach till the point when you feel a comfortable tingling sensation or whatever type of sensations you are feeling. So I have set the time for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, when the machine stops sending the stimulation, you can switch it off from the button above, and then you can remove the pads. Use this pad holder to place the electrodes. This will keep your electrodes adhesion safe. So friends, when you are using both A and B channel, then you have to take slight care of electrode placement. A single channel, this is a single channel, wire from a single channel. So you have to place the electrodes cross, like if I have placed over here, the other electrode we have to place it on the other end like this, cross, see, like this. And then the other channel will be here, we are placing, and here one electrode. So as you can see, this is from one electrode, one channel, and this is from another channel. So they are crossing with each other, and together they will produce a beautiful effect inside the knee. Hope friends you liked this video. If you liked the video, please do not forget to like it and share it with your friends, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing us. Thanks for watching friends. Bye bye.